Finding quality firearms under $300 seems impossible in 2026, with inflation driving prices upward constantly. Let me show you the top 10 guns under $300 you should buy in 2026, with number 1 genuinely surprising everyone. Number 10. Hi-Point C99mm pistol. Hi-Point gets mocked constantly for ugly designs, but these pistols are absolutely reliable and backed by lifetime warranties, making them legitimate budget options. The warranty is transferable and truly lifetime with no questions asked. The accuracy is acceptable for defensive distances. The weight is substantial due to zinc alloy slide. The affordability means you can buy ammunition for practice instead of just owning expensive gun you never shoot. The holster options are limited but available. The aftermarket support is minimal. Number 9. Maverick 88 Pump Shotgun. This Mossberg manufactured shotgun shares parts with the legendary 500 series, providing proven reliability at half the price of premium models. The 12-gauge chambering provides serious defensive and hunting capability. The pump action is reliable, feeding virtually any ammunition. The 5-round capacity is standard for hunting shotguns. The recoil is manageable with proper technique. Number 8. Taurus G3 C9mm pistol. Taurus dramatically improved quality in recent years, and the G3C provides modern striker-fired performance with 12-round capacity at budget pricing. The polymer frame is ergonomic and comfortable. The striker-fired trigger is surprisingly good for the price. The 12-round magazines provide serious capacity. The sights are adjustable 3-dot configuration. The grip texture is aggressive, providing secure hold. The accessory rail accepts lights and lasers. The slide serrations are functional for manipulation. The Taurus second strike capability allows trigger restrike on hard primers. The reliability improved dramatically from older Taurus models. The accuracy is good for defensive pistol. The controls are intuitive and well placed. The magazine release is ambidextrous. The breakdown for cleaning is simple. The warranty provides peace of mind. Number 7. Ruger EC9 S9mm pistol. Ruger's ultra-compact 9mm provides concealed carry capability from one of America's most trusted manufacturers at prices barely exceeding $200. The slim profile is easy to conceal. The 7-round capacity is standard for micro pistols. The striker-fired design is reliable and simple. The sights are integral to slide-reducing snag points. The trigger has built-in safety. The glass-filled nylon frame is durable. The through-hardened stainless slide resists corrosion. The Ruger quality and customer service are excellent. The accuracy is good considering tiny size. The recoil is manageable with proper grip. The controls are minimal, reducing complexity. The reliability is what Ruger is known for. The aftermarket support is substantial with holsters and parts readily available. The magazine availability is good. The compact size fits anywhere. The lightweight design allows comfortable all-day carry. The finish options include black and stainless. If you need concealable defensive pistol from trusted manufacturer, this Ruger provides proven reliability in tiny package. Number 6. Heritage Rough Rider .2 2LR revolver. This single-action revolver provides affordable introduction to shooting with .22 LR, chambering making practice incredibly cheap while offering cowboy gun fun. The single-action operation mimics classic Western revolvers. The .2 LR ammunition costs pennies per round. The 6-round capacity is standard for single-action revolvers. The adjustable sights allow accuracy tuning. The transfer bar safety prevents accidental discharge. The versatility allows both .2 2LR and .22 Magnum with cylinder changes on some models. The fun factor is high with satisfying cowboy-style shooting. The reliability is good with quality ammunition. Number 5. SIG Sauer P320 M17 9mm pistol. SIG Sauer produces American-made concealed carry pistols with lifetime warranties and surprisingly good triggers for prices under $300 consistently. The double-action only trigger is smooth for the design. The polymer frame is lightweight. The 10-round capacity is good for compact pistol. The stainless steel slide resists corrosion. The weight is light enough for comfortable carry. The finish options include various colors. The made in USA construction appeals to many buyers. If you want American-made concealed carry pistol with lifetime warranty, this SCCY provides quality and support at budget prices. Number 4. Smith & Wesson SD 9VE 9mm pistol. Smith & Wesson's budget striker-fired pistol provides major manufacturer quality and customer service at prices that undercut competitors dramatically. The polymer frame is ergonomic. The striker-fired design is reliable. The 16-round capacity is substantial. The self-defense trigger is decent for budget guns.
But for some reason, once they took the Sigma and they took the Smith & Wesson, they're very easy to grab hold of, and it makes it nice. Now, the sights themselves are a 3-dot sight. The rear is a polymer sight, but
the reliability is good with various ammunition. The accuracy is adequate for defensive use.
जिसमें आपको पता चलेगा जब इसमें बुलेट लोड होगी। और दोस्तों ये तो थी इसकी ओवरऑल डायमेंशन। अब आते हैं इसकी कीमत की तरफ। तो आजकल इंपोर्ट के मार्केट में इस पिस्टल की कीमत जो है,
The size is suitable for home defense or duty use. The weight is reasonable for full-size pistol. The finish is durable. If you want established manufacturer backing your budget pistol, this Smith & Wesson provides quality and support. Number 3. Canik TP9 SF 9mm pistol. Turkish-made Canik pistols provide features and quality that seem impossible at their price points with excellent triggers and included accessories. The striker-fired design is reliable. The 18-round capacity is exceptional. The trigger quality rivals pistols, costing 3 times more. The polymer frame is well designed. The Warren tactical sights are excellent. The interchangeable backstraps are customized fit. The Picatinny rail is standard.
SF. SF stands for Special Forces. This has been one of those pistols that's really taken a lot of American shooters by storm. And one of the big reasons is because of the quality and the price. Some people pronounce it Janik, but that's how they pronounce it in Turkey. But here in the U.S.,
theoretically that's possible, but there's been a lot of tests done on this, and it's never decocked. In fact, a good buddy of mine, Vigilant Inspector, so they're good, high quality.
There are some differences between the pistols rather than just the decocker. And one of the big things are the...
Number 2. Palmetto State Armory PF-15 AR-15. Rifle PSA produces budget AR-15 rifles that function reliably, providing America's most popular rifle platform at prices once considered impossible. The 5.56 NATO chambering is versatile and common. The 16-inch barrel provides good velocity. The carbine-length gas system is reliable. The M4 profile is standard military configuration. The A2 front sight and carry handle or flat-top receivers are available. The 30-round magazines are standard capacity. The modularity allows endless customization. Number 1. Rossi RS 22.22 LR Semi-Auto Rifle. This affordable .22 LR rifle surprises everyone by providing exceptional accuracy, reliability, and features at prices barely exceeding $200, making it the best value in firearms. The semi-automatic operation is reliable with various ammunition. The 10-round rotary magazine feeds smoothly. The adjustable fiber optic sights are excellent. The synthetic stock is durable and weather-resistant. The Picatinny rail allows optic mounting. The accuracy is shockingly good for budget rifle. The .22 LR ammunition is extremely cheap, allowing extensive practice. The recoil is minimal, making it perfect for training. The versatility handles plinking small game and training. The safety is intuitive. The trigger is acceptable. The barrel is button rifled, providing good accuracy. The build quality exceeds price expectations. The reliability matches far more expensive .22 rifles.